is raining. It's pouring down with rain over here. What a beautiful weather.
Hi. Hi, Carl.
It's been like this all day.
I am Maya. I am dying guy. Rainy. Mom.
Hmm?
Do you want to fetch my blanket?
Oh yeah, we'll sort that out. Yeah.
I need to return it, but I need to wash it first.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah.
Boys, just wait for us. Boys, close the door. We just finished dinner and we thought we'll just bring you guys along to have a look around and do some shopping with us. We're probably not gonna buy anything or not much tonight because it's the only shop that's open at the moment apart from Kmart. But yeah, probably this weekend or the following weekend, then we'll do a proper shopping. But yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Hey guys.
Let's go and have a look.
Yeah. Oh, it's slippery. Actually, no. That's good. What's my bag? I opened it for you guys. I pushed it back there. Back there. It was always.
Yeah, good.
I
Come on.
opened it for you guys. Really? Hey guys, I think this is where we're gonna get our stuff. Probably like for 2 hours.
The eggs?
And we're gonna
How
buy
much,
some.
how much are the eggs?
I don't know. What's this?
$13.
Put
Put that back. Put that back down.
Ow!
Got a lot of stuff on clearance.
Oh, where's it?
Oh,
$20.
guys,
Oh, girls' clothes.
guys, just need to ask you that when the video's on,
$10 and under.
there's one video. There's gonna be a lot of videos about this.
That's not under $10. That's $12.98.
Daddy, that's for Daddy, for my Daddy. Daddy, these are yours.
Yeah. Show him what Leah's
These are yours, Dad.
Yeah, I wear that sometimes, but that's not the same one.
Okay.
I like them.
And I like
How much are them?
It's 25.
Yes, it fits me. Look, it fits.
We'll go and look at the clearance for men over there and see if it's any more.
No.
What? Whoa! What's this?
We got Let's see what they got a sale on.
Yo, look. Yo, look.
Oh, 89.
And
So we bought it for 89.
It's your
Just one.
no. You want Captain America, and he's a lollipop. Look here, look at this here. Do you see that? Yeah. See that? A lollipop comes. I didn't like that.
Okay, hurry up.
Yeah, you know, I'm gonna give you this here. Just for 1 second. Huh? Yeah, you.
Leo, what did you get?
I did get and I got this. I just got an egg and Mom. Well, how come Leo gets a drink and now he gets a treat?
Watch out, Leo.
How come, Mom?
How come what?
So Leo has 2 treats, but he has a drink.
No, he only got a drink because the doctor said he needs a drink.
It's so simple. You can't actually tell. Wow.
Let's make the kids' lunches. The girls have, the girls' school, they provide lunches, but not Dawn.
Super yummy.
Yeah, it's your turn.
For the sandwiches. All right.
It's super yummy.
Let's get the bread.
Yeah.
Here's a tip when making lunches. Instead of getting plates, just use paper towel. And you can chuck it in the bin afterwards. Did you get the butter? Oh, yeah.
What? Can I ask you something?
Yeah,
No, I don't want that.
give Anna some Where do you?
Is it egg? It's a peanut. Let's try. Not as that egg peanut. Egg peanut? What's egg peanut? Egg peanut. Oh. Okay, fine. Wait, that one goes in after you some. Okay, you get laser. No, you just go a little bit. Yeah. Thank you. You're so good boy. Bye, I'll give it to you. Good boy, you're so good. No, you didn't have any back. You're so good boy. You? The laser! Not a waster you. It's like a pencil? Yeah, no, it's like you rub out feet. Yeah, it's kind of like a pencil, but it's like when you draw on it like this, it whips up the page. Mm-hmm. But if you do it very hard. Use a good one because you Tikimitsu. Huh? Here's a good one to live on a Tikimitsu. Nutella bread with. Bacon. Yeah. My legs are. Janice, your turn, bonus. I know, I didn't hide it because I didn't hide it too. Yeah, because you are shopping, right? I did. I don't know what they're going now because they were having the this looks like an egg. Oh. It looks like an egg. Yo, look at this seal. I'm gonna crack this. So, let's get them meat. They can cut two. So, they can cut. Can I just do? Yeah. You're right. Just look like it is. Amazing. Anna. No. This is good enough. Guys, how do you crack it up? How? No, if you throw it harder, it will crack. Nope. Doing this, we'll do it.
In the fridge we go.
No, it's already, Hi, guys.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Really appreciate each and every one of you. We're so blessed to have such a supportive community. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video. But we are going to do this again. We didn't record our dinner because you're very sick of my mukbang style vlog. So, but tomorrow we'll catch up again. Bye.
Bye.